A few times a year, I visit Raffaella in Umbria, Italy, and bring a small group to her agriturismo farm in the Perugian hills. We laugh, we learn, enjoy some wine made by Rafa's family, and enjoy some really great food. We start this adventure in Lake Como, the love of George Clooney, and all ours for a night before we drive through Tuscany to beautiful Umbria. This wonderful itinerary includes visits to the miraculous town of Assisi and under the Tuscan sun, town Cortona, where we do a little shopping like Francis Mays as we walk the ancient streets. This year, I'm adding the town of Verona to this once-in-a-lifetime experience, the city of love where it all began and ended for Romeo and Juliet. I'm still taking reservations for this incredible adventure. Click on the links below to make a reservation or find out more.